In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Excel formulas using Chatgpt. This tool is a great way to streamline your work in Excel, especially if you're not entirely comfortable crafting complex formulas on your own. We're covering this in a concise format, so let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to open Chatgpt. If you're not already familiar, Chatgpt is an AI language model that can assist you in generating text-based outputs for a variety of tasks, including creating Excel formulas. Once you have Chatgpt open, you'll either want to navigate to an existing conversation or start a new one. This provides an interface where you can input your requests and receive responses. Think carefully about what you want your formula to accomplish. Whether it's to calculate a sum, find an average, or anything more complex, it's crucial to have a clear idea of your desired outcome before you begin typing. When you're ready, go ahead and type out what you want your formula to do in detail. Don't worry if it feels like you're writing a lot. The clearer your input, the more accurately Chatgpt can help you. Once your request is typed up, the next step is simple. Hit enter or press the send button. This submits your query and asks the AI to start processing your request. Almost instantly, Chatgpt will respond with a formula that you can use directly in Excel. But don't stop there. Take the opportunity to understand the formula you're given. If something is unclear, or if you're curious about alternative ways to achieve the same task, don't hesitate to ask Chatgpt for variations or explanations. This can help deepen your understanding and give you a better grasp of Excel functions and formulas. For instance, if you've been given a SUMIF function and you'd like to see how it works differently with different criteria or ranges, just ask. The AI will provide you with the variations or explanations you need. This method not only saves time, but it also provides a learning opportunity, empowering you to craft and understand Excel formulas with more confidence. So whether you're tackling financial modeling, data analysis, or basic data organization, using Chatgpt in this way can really enhance your efficiency and skill set in Excel. And that's it. By following these simple steps, Chatgpt becomes a powerful tool in your Excel arsenal, making complex formula creation quick and accessible. Thanks for watching, and as always, feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further clarification. Remember to subscribe for more insightful tips and techniques. See you in the next video.